The Hoover Dam.
Wow. Does it move?
No, it's a dam. It holds water back.
You having fun, Eli?
What?
Are you having fun?
Yep.
I'd love to go on the dam tour.
I'd love to go on the dam tour too, but it's closed.
The dam tour is closed because of coronavirus.
Yep.
It's okay. This place had a place for a little pull-off, had space for the RV parking, which is important.
This is.
Okay, Eli, don't touch stuff, okay?
What?
Don't touch.
This is Earth-made dam.
Oh, this is Lake Mead Reservoir. Who feels like an idiot?
This is Earth-made.
Kind of. Kind of a cool picture. Look at that. Look at all the campers down there.
Dang.
It's a big old beach. I was hoping they'd see a little more of the dam. It's not.
Well, we'll take video when we go over.
Lake?
It's beautiful, actually.
It's really low. In the mountains.
Maybe we can have lunch.
Lunch?
Lunch?
It's 8:30 in the morning, son.
Hoover Dam Visitor Center. We're here. Oh, let's see what
We'll
we
see
can
when we
find.
drive over. You want to take a family picture real fast?
Sure.
No. Built it up higher so people don't stop at the bridge. Oh, we're going to Arizona! Look, guys! Arizona! Woo! Arizona. She's like, get out of this truck right now. Walk back there.
Take a picture.
Those strangers.
It's my kind of woman. The boss kind. Oh, look at those. They're pretty. Well, maybe next